I'm so excited and I can't hide it. My assistant. This one. Open here. Okay, I'm gonna but first, this one is the, I think it's stand. Stand. No more. How to open this one? Need to click this. It's okay. It has insurance. And then you're gonna put here the lens on. This is how to open. I'm gonna oh. Then you're gonna open. Oh, oh, English. Then gonna open again. English. Good morning. That's our lasagna, guys. Ooh. Okay. Look, our lasagna. Mag-good night na ako. See you tomorrow. Bye. Night. Good morning, everyone. It's Monday today and it's already 12. Late na akong nagising. Actually, nagising ako kanina mga 9 kaso natulog ako ulit. Napagod ako kahapon. Nakaluto. I have my lasagna and my matcha. Guys, it's already 7 p.m. and the sun is still
noch gut an letztes Jahr. Die Party war doch super.
Ja, vielleicht.
I am done now with my class and it's so hard to learn German. There's a lot of things to do, to memorize. You need to memorize the vocabs and everything in between. So, afam pa more. So I'm counting the days before our wedding. And today ay wala akong gagawin. Maglaba lang ako ng mga stuff or something, and then lalaban ko na yung long sleeve ni Steven later kasi tomorrow magpa-plancha ako ng damit niya and prepare all the things before the day, before Thursday and Friday, cause Thursday and Friday we're gonna be a little bit busy. Bibili kami ng mga food and drinks at kung ano-ano pa man. I still have class for my German course, but tomorrow it's a holiday. We don't have a class for tomorrow, so it's good. Guten Tag, everybody. Guten Tag zusammen. It's Thursday today, and it's 2 days before our wedding. So, pupunta kami ngayon. Bibili kami ng mga inumin and food, and also yung necktie ni Steven, and then dadalhin namin siya sa bahay ng papa niya kasi doon yung reception. So that is our errand today. That's regular. Okay, we're done na sa Uto. Next is sa Sorcy Park for Steven neckties. Nakakapagod pa lang maghanap. Dito kasi, they don't have yung parang isahang building lang and then lahat-lahat na like mall, gano'n. Wala yan dito. So, talagang lilipat-lipat ka. May mall dito, pero yung sa grocery store na makita mo doon na lahat-lahat. Yung mga iba na wala. So, iba-iba ang building. Kaya, a little bit hassle. Unlike dun sa Pilipinas na may isang malaking mall para mabili mo na lahat-lahat doon ka na. Hindi ka na alis-alis. si Yonseri. Ako si Yonseri. Tapos siya si Captain Ray. Captain Ray! Yeah, it's nice also here. It's so nice here. Rods Park. Balobat na ako. Hindi ko nadala yung charger. My heart is so happy here. And we can take pictures there, Bubble. I think, can we go here? Inside here?
Not inside.
Not inside. Look. The house. So soon here. I hope sa Sabado ay maganda yung weather. Para naman maganda yung ano namin. Yung photo namin. Is that original? Yeah, try. Try. Is that good? Other one. Oh, is that extra large? That one. Yeah. What else? Okay, we are going now sa bahay ng Papa ni Steven. Idadrop na namin lahat ng mga pinamili namin today. Kasi kailangan yun ma-arrange. Hindi kaming ginawa, pero hindi naman siya nakakapagod. Then, we need to go home later kasi may class pa ako at 8 p.m. The place here is very nice. Ito yung place kung saan yung papa niya nakatira. Guten Morgen! We are going to roller now. Gotta buy my makeup and grocery, everything. So it's one day before our wedding. I'm so happy here. My Ito lahat. Hello everyone! Bababiyahin na naman tayo. Pupunta kami ngayon sa bahay ng papa niya kasi ihatid namin yung airbed para sa family niya mamaya na dadating. So it's around 6:30 na. God bless you. And bago kami pumunta doon, bumili muna kasi nga grabe. Wala kasi akong pakialam kung ewan ko, parang hindi ko na siya na-mind na mag-nail polish ako. Tapos yung sinabi niya sa akin mag-nail polish. Kaya bumili na naman kami sa mall. So napot nail polish here. Bumili lang ako nitong white. And then yung sa paa ko this remover. And then bumili ako nitong eyelash. We're here. So nice here. Look at the houses. Wow. Look at the neighborhood. Update ko na lang kayo mamaya pag nakauwi na kami sa bahay. Look at the view. Okay. Pauwi na kami. It's already 11 p.m. Diba? Napuyat ang bride.
You have all things. You follow all.
Huh?
You have all your things.
All the things what?
Yeah, your phone and all what you have.
Yeah. It's all here. So, where is the? My reaction. Wow! Look at my bouquet. Yeah. Galing pa siya sa Germany. Wow! So schön. I like it. Thank you, Mama. Thank you, Bobby. Dun, 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 dun. What can you say about this?
Yeah, looks good.
Oh. Hello? Say hi to your friends also. I'm so happy and grateful. Grabe, sobrang effort ng family niya. As in, hindi ko lang siya na-film. Sobrang na-touch ako sa... Super na-touch ako. So, good night, everyone!